Hello everyone and welcome back to Sophie's World. This is my life. Yeah. Guys, how have you all been doing? So I'm here guys and I'm walking the Birdies. Yes, I'm walking the Birdies. So we have been sitting in the backyard for a little while and it's really beautiful. It's really a beautiful day. And so I decided to give them a little walk. So they are enjoying their walk. I'm gonna show you them in a bit. See? Say hello. They're eating. So I'm walking them a little bit around to the front, and then after which I'm gonna clean their cage and stuff, give them fresh water and give them a little bath and stuff. Yes, I'm gonna check out the beautiful flowers. It's nice. Beautiful. I love flowers. I love nature. Anything with nature, just give it to me. Wow. Oh my god. Tomatoes. Mommy. Mommy. Bring one container for me. Really? Bring one container for me. Let me pick the tomato here. Guys, I have tomato and I didn't know. I wonder if my husband know. My husband planted these tomatoes, you know, but I think they're from last year and they're still, I cannot believe it. Let me show you guys. Look at that, guys. I have tomato and I didn't know. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. My husband didn't plant any tomato for this year, but I cannot believe it. How is this possible? So I'm gonna pick them. Yep. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy these tomatoes. I love them. They taste so different from the one in the store, honestly. I love my own grown stuff. See? Not many ones, there's a lot of green ones. Wow, this tree is loaded. I'm gonna ask Baby if he had known that tomato was always found. Oh my god. So guys, I'm gonna pick the tomatoes. I cannot believe it. Tomato here, and I did not know. And guys, I didn't know, honestly. I really have to ask my husband if he had known that we have tomato. Wow, this made my evening. Oh god. So guys, how have y'all been doing? These are the little things that I love.
Mommy, look, tomatoes.
I know, sweetheart. Ooh. Wow.
Mommy, take the tomatoes off.
Not the green ones, honey. Hi. Not the green ones.
Look at these tomatoes.
Oh my god. You know, Joel pick. Look at this. Joel picked the green one. Oh guys, look. It's better than nothing, don't it? Tomatoes. I love my fresh stuff. Let me see if there's any more. No, there's no more. But the tree is loaded. Look at this. See, the tree is loaded all over with the green ones. But I'm gonna take my birdie inside at this point because, you know, the sun is really like it's going in right now, and you know, Go, baby, go inside. Parakeet can't handle.
A green tomato?
You did it. Come, baby. Parakeet can't handle. Oh, wow, Joel, careful. What? Yes. I make video and I walk up my bird. Joel, right here. Two of them. One of me and one of German. The green one. Alright. Yeah, man, yeah.
The white one is daddy. Stubborn. They're both stubborn.
So guys, I am taking the birdie back inside. We've been outside for a little while, so come, sweetheart. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this little video. Joel, and we will see you in our next one.